Good morning, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2015 government pass question. Question number 21 says promotion and discipline of civil servants is the responsibility of the dash. Promotion and discipline of civil servants is the responsibility of the dash. Now I want to talk of civil servant. Civil servant connotes civil service. Civil service, and civil service is a relative permanent government body charged with the responsibility or duties of implementing government policies and programs. Government policies or programs. So option A says Federal Character Commission. I want to talk of Federal Character Commission is for equality. And this option B say Ministry of Labor. This has to do with Ministry of Employment. Option C say Civil Service Commission. Then option D say Public Complaint Commission. Public Complaint Commission is for the masses to lay their complaints on particular service rendered by government parastatals. So the body that promotes and disciplines civil servants is called Civil Service Commission. Option C is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.